Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into Krisspy, the revolutionary AI-powered platform that's transforming app design. Whether you're a product manager, designer, freelancer, or agency, stick around because I'll show you how Krisspy turns your ideas into production-ready prototypes in minutes and at an unbelievable discount. Right now, you can grab lifetime access to Krisspy for just $109 from the regular price of $1,284, which is a massive 91% off. Yes, you heard that right. 91% off on a tool that could completely change your design workflow. Krisspy is not your typical design tool. It's an AI-driven live creation platform that transforms your app ideas into high-fidelity interactive prototypes. Imagine starting with simple wireframes and effortlessly evolving them into pixel-perfect screens, all while integrating seamlessly with Figma. Plus, you can export production-ready code for your developers. Positive reviews and features, 110. Users are calling Krisspy a game-changer in app design workflow. They love how its intuitive interface and AI-powered features let you create polished prototypes in minutes, perfect for rapid iterations and client presentations. From generating wireframes to producing interactive prototypes, Krisspy's speed and efficiency are unmatched. Of course, no tool is perfect. Some users have mentioned minor challenges with credit management, which might become a concern with heavy usage. Additionally, there have been occasional technical glitches that interrupt the workflow. But here's the silver lining. The support team is super responsive, quickly addressing any issues to keep your projects moving forward. How it works. Getting started with Krisspy is simple. 1. Input your vision. Upload your product requirements or simply describe your idea. 2. Watch AI in action. The platform rapidly generates high-fidelity prototypes based on your input. Iterate and export. Make real-time tweaks, then export your design to Figma or get a full development-ready codebase. This seamless flow means you can go from concept to launch-ready screens in record time. If you're ready to supercharge your design process and build stunning products without the usual hassle, click the link in the description to secure your lifetime deal on Krisspy today. Remember, it's only $119 for lifetime access, 91% off the regular price. Thank you for watching our in-depth review of Krisspy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and reviews, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let us know your thoughts on Krisspy in the comments below. Have you tried it, or are you excited to get started? Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.